Well, coming to you from underneath the car. This here is the passenger side muffler, and if the presence of the same debris that I found in the glove box when I cleaned that out, and it was all full of mouse habitat, judging by the fact that that same material that they probably chewed out of the underside of the seats is in the muffler, there's a good chance that rodents have made hotels out of both mufflers. And when I picked the car up months and months ago, the tailpipe, I do remember that the passenger tailpipe was pretty well crammed full of junk as well. So I want to start this thing in a couple of weeks when the whole family's out here. And what I don't want to do is light the mufflers on fire because there's that stuff in it. So we're gonna remove that stuff. We're just gonna take the mufflers off, and I'm gonna put new exhaust in. I don't know if I'll remove the whole thing today, but we're gonna get started on it. Because at the very least, these mufflers need to go. Because, like I said, don't want to light fires. So, yeah, we'll see if wrenches will do the trick, and if not, I've got a Sawzall, and I'll just cut things out, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's the plan for today. We'll see what other kind of fun we can get into. Yeah, these gotta go. That's the start. this out of that brace? Let's find out. Oh, I think I can. Sure enough. Whoa. Okay. So there we go. Let's. Oh, stop it now. That's both mufflers down. Now, we'll deal with the rest, I think, later. Yeah. What am I doing here? Besides making noise. Well, I know that exhausts come with these U-bolts, but I don't know if they'll come with these specific braces that actually hold the exhaust underneath the car in place. So I'm going to keep those. Throw away the U-bolts. Got me a whole trash can full of exhaust here. Okay, so that's what I want, just in case. And then this guy here as well for the muffler. Come on. Now on the passenger side, I was able to disconnect these underneath with the exhaust still hanging, but it was much more difficult. I just felt like doing it this way would be easier, and it sure enough is. Because I'm throwing away all the exhaust. It's all going away. So I didn't care about. I just cut it, chopped it up. that slides into a rubber piece underneath, so I want that. Just in case the new set doesn't come with it. So, things like that, if you don't know, it's a good idea, with the exception of things like exhaust. If you know you're going to throw it away, if it's broken, like, that's not muffling anything, right? It's no longer a muffler. Throw it away. But connectors, hangers, until you know you have a new one, until you've installed it and you know it works, don't throw it away. I may end up throwing these away. Who knows? But I'd rather do it later, knowing I don't need them or that I have a replacement in place and it works. It's a good rule of thumb when it comes to vehicle maintenance. So, I'm pretty beat. That was quite a day. So I think I'm going to call it for now, and we'll get back after it later. We'll see. Thanks for watching.